Yes, 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 yes. You know it's the general, the 10-star one representing. Hear me a nation people. You know anytime we touch the road or we they clip them load. As me say, big up to my fashionist. You know what I mean? Cause you know things shell way. Hotter than we hell there. And I lie me I tell. You know see it? No gimmicks not in my game, you know. You know how I represent. Gaza way, there ain't no other fucking way. You know how the general, the 10-star one, I represent. Watch me now, nation people. Hear what me I say. Right about now, you know, the world boss drop the big body EP, Numb. You see what me I say? And the thing was selected for the ladies them. So hear me now, ladies. You have to run, go support that one to the fullest. No gimmicks thing, not dead about it. You get thing in abundant around 9 track. And nobody can stop that. Ladies, you let loose. Make certain you buy the thing on iTunes. Make certain you stream the thing on Spotify. Run up some YouTube views anywhere you see the song them. No gimmicks not in my game. You know how I represent already a Gaza way. There ain't no other way. Can I flip the script now, 10-star? Yes, 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 yes. I sure can flip the script, nation people. Hear me I say. No gimmicks not in it, you know. No lollipop thing not dead around it, you know. Wanna see, say the world boss are put in the work. You know, nobody we can dispute that in not dancehall. The amount of song I get, I guarantee around 3 albums I get already if you even differentiate it like that. But no man say, you can't make them good quality music I just pass because I see a whole heap of propaganda and things are going on the internet where a whole heap of people are run down. And also even the vlogger them, because you know anywhere where it at the vlogger them have a step. Me not see nobody a premiere and I go like say them a highlight the big bumbleclad EP where the world was drop. Nation people, me no want to follow them and go like you no want to overlook that. Because right now, me about to touch the road with the clip them load. And before me go, I make sure me a shell where things hotter than we hell there. Because you know say a Gaza, you see me, the thing there. No lollipop thing not in my game. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see what I say? A real way we represent. So I say right about now, nation people. Make certain. Run up the numbers on the EP. Listen to the track them carefully. So you can voice on opinion on the song them where you like the best. You see what I say? Or the song them where you feel the best. Or if you can't skip none, because all of them are the best here, because you know how the world boss represent already. First class way. That's why they think them always gone world class. You don't know how we represent already in a nation people. You see what I say? But I say, for the project where the world boss drop, right now, to the little gas up thing where I run up and down on the internet, yo, all some Gaza people, what I say, build them reputation off of Gaza. I see the big body EP drop. I see men and people are run out. You see me? With it like how them supposed to run out. Instead of some lollipop thing I see I go on. But you know how we represent already. A Gaza, we as I said, there ain't no other way, so we don't ever go too say nothing too tough. But all we are say to all Gaza representative, make certain you not support the music. You see what I say? The joke shit not dead about it, no gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know how man represent already. A real way man represent, you know. No lollipop way, you know. You can't make the music a drop like that. See? And you not pay careful attention to it. Instead, you run down some little mix up and some little gas up thing you see go on the internet. Yo, that not make it. By the time they feel not support good and real music. Because the nation no laugh with it, you know. No play with it, you know. You don't know how the world boss make it already, you know. Bass, style, lyrics, megaphor, silly me, entendre, him use and set it. No joke shit no dead about it. You see what I say? That's why the whole of dancehall could have able to say Gaza. Will you not remember the night of September? Yo, make certain you not represent on the EP. No joke shit no there in my game, no lollipop thing no there night. Because you don't know me as a man when I go make this pass. You see what I say? Enough people act like them want to look past it. And I go like them not see it. Or I go like some form of lollipop thing them I go they know then start to deal with the gimmicks thing. Anytime you see me a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing, I make me tell you something. Don't everybody watch your color in a kind of boy can't punk it in a joke thing in my game. You see what I say? You see what I say? I really way I represent. Got to fix up the EP, nation people, and make certain you not stream at night time before you go on to bed. You see me? I make certain anytime you not listen to the EP, you not listen it off of Spotify. You see what I say? Stream the music, no joke shit, no dead about it. No games business, no dead about it. You see what I say? Yeah. And we're not supposed to even talk all 1 or 2 times from when I say Gaza. Because from when I say Gaza, I know have to be a natural supporter, you know. You can't say Gaza and not be a spectator, you know. Nation people don't know about to follow the wanna see I go on the internet, you know. And the lollipop thing will go on and the bag of confusion and the bag of idiot thing where everybody will say, fast them blood clot, you know, because that's all the people them like. You see what I say? Yo. The big bad EP job. I'll get on a copy. Make sure on the stream. You know what the general, the 10 star wanna represent. You know each and every time I represent. You know a loud explosion when I drop necessary equipment. Hey, watch this. Watch. Nation people.